I'd like to welcome Krissy. We did customer focus here in Minneapolis, and just so you'll know, it was 7 below zero with a wind chill factor of minus 24, but I've heard it's going to warm up to the 30s. We covered 6 principles about customers and customer focus, and I would like you to explain your Vistage experience and what you learned today and maybe over the past 2 years.
I joined Vistage 2 years ago. One more to go. Hoping to maybe get into the next one if my sponsor will let me. I was scared to join Vistage because I've always been on the blue collar side of things, and I went into a supervisor role, and this has greatly helped me learn about emotional intelligence.
Awesome.
And just getting to be able to talk to people and active listening, and like we talked about today.
Great.
And
So congratulations
Thank
for
you.
joining Vistage, and I can see that you were a little apprehensive
I'm
about
nervous.
it.
I'm not a good speaker, public speaker.
But you are, and that's what's cool is over the period of time, you've developed that skill that maybe you didn't feel that confident with, and I think that's great. So I want to just tell my listeners here that Vistage is one of the most important decisions you will ever make in your life. Both personally, right, you learn some personal things, as well as application to business, correct?
Yes.
And so look up a Vistage group. I've had the opportunity to speak over 500 times. I was a chair for 8 years. My average return of my Vistage members was 5 to 10x from the time they joined until they left or we sold their company. Vistage is the right place to be. I hope everyone will have a joy-filled holiday season, and we wish you the best from Vistage. Thank you.